Hello, children. Welcome back to English grammar class. In this class, students of class 1 will study conjunctions. This video is continuation of the previous video, which was named Conjunctions Part 1. In this video, we are going to discuss the exercises of the chapter. Let's start our class now. Before we start the exercise, I would like to give a quick recap of the conjunctions and, but, or and their usage. And is used to join similar ideas together. For example, Joseph ate a hot dog. Joseph ate French fries. So when we join the sentence using and, it becomes Joseph ate a hot dog and French fries. Because Joseph is eating hot dog as well as French fries. So this is similar and we have used and here. Sarah went to the park. Sarah met her friend Michelle. We use and to show continuation. For example, Sarah went to the park and then she met her friend Michelle. Only after Sarah went to the park, she met her friend Michelle. So and is also used to join the sentences where things are being done in an order. But joins two opposite ideas together. He wanted to buy a game. He didn't have any money. As he wanted to buy a game, he needed money, but he didn't have any money. So, he wanted to buy a game, but he didn't have any money. He wanted to go to school. He was sick. Here also, these are two different things. He wanted to go to the school, but he was sick, so he could not go. He wanted to go to school, but he was sick. So, but joins two opposite ideas together. Or shows choice or option. Penguins slide or waddle. Do you need tea or coffee? So whenever you are given choice or you are being given options, you have to use or. Let's start the exercise now. A. Write whether the following sentences are similar, opposites, or give a choice. Children, as I have already explained, and denotes sentences which are similar, but denotes opposites, and or denotes when sentences are giving a choice. एंड यूज होता है जब सेंटेंसेस सिमिलर होते हैं. बट यूज होता है when sentences are showing some opposite. और यूज होता है when you have been given a choice. So here in this exercise we have to write choice, similar or opposite. Let's start the exercise. First, does she want tea or milk? Here you have been given a choice. Here or is used. So we can easily make out this is choice. Write down choice. Second is trust in God and do the right. When and is used, it is similar. So you have to write similar. He is old but strong. But is used. But is used to denote opposites. So write opposite. Rakhi is happy but Rekha is sad. But is used. It denotes opposite. So write down opposite. Do you want a pen or a pencil? Or is used, you have to write down choice. Is Reena going to Mumbai or Goa? Or is used, you have to write down choice. Children, keep in mind, if the sentence is using or, you have to write choice. If and is used in the sentence, you have to write similar. If but is used, you have to write opposite. अगर सेंटेंस में और यूज्ड है आप चॉइस लिखेंगे. एंड यूज्ड है यू विल राइट सिमिलर. बट यूज्ड है यू विल राइट opposite. Let's move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable joining words. You have to fill in suitable joining words. Before we write down the answers, let's again recall what we have learned. We have learned and हम कब use करते हैं? When we are talking about similar things. We use but when we are talking about opposite. हम but use करते हैं जब opposite की बात हो रही होती है. और कब यूज करते हैं जब कोई चॉइस हो, ऑप्शन हो, वी यूज और. फर्स्ट इज ही इज थिन डैश वीक. थिन एंड वीक. ही इज थिन एंड वीक बिकॉज थिन वीक means almost same. When somebody is thin, generally we feel that he will be weak also. कोई थिन होता है तो हमें ये चीज़ फील होती है कि वो वीक भी होगा. ओके, सो द आंसर इज ही इज थिन एंड वीक. वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट टू सिमिलर थिंग्स, सो वी हैव यूज्ड एंड हियर. ही टुक ऑफ हिज कोट डैश वेंट टू बेड. फर्स्टली ही टुक ऑफ हिज कोट. उसने सबसे पहले अपना कोट उतारा. उसके बाद he went to bed. So we will use and here because पहले उसने एक काम किया और उसके बाद he went to bed. So we will use and. So this is almost kind of similar because उसने कोट उतारा और वो सोने चला गया. So we will use and here because this is not opposite and choice is also not given here. So we will use and here. Sunita has a pen dash a pencil. Pen, pencil. Sunita has a pen dash pencil. This is kind of similar. So we will use and. Sunita has a pen and a pencil. He worked hard dash did not pass the exam. Now this is opposite because if you have worked hard, you will pass the exam. अगर आपने मेहनत की है तो आप एग्जाम पास करोगे. But here it is written, he worked hard dash did not pass the exam. So this is something opposite. We will use but here. He worked hard but did not pass the exam. Fifth is work hard dash you will fail. This is also opposite. आप मेहनत करोगे तो आप पास होगे. But here it is written work hard dash you will fail. So we will write or here because here it is being said that if you will not work hard you will fail. तो आपको ऑप्शन दिया जा रहा है, आपको एक ऑप्शन बताया जा रहा है कि अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे आप फेल हो जाओगे. सो बेटर है कि आप मेहनत कर लीजिए. तो आपको ऑप्शन दिया जा रहा है यहाँ पे वर्क हार्ड और यू विल फेल. ओके. Sixth is, do you want a soft drink dash a glass of orange juice? Here you are being given a choice. Do you want a soft drink or a glass of orange juice? I will again repeat the answers. He is thin and weak because ये similar है. He took off his coat and went to bed क्योंकि ये turn wise हो रहा है. Firstly उसने कोट उतारा, then he went to bed. Sunita has a pen and a pencil. He worked hard but did not pass the exam. Work hard or you will fail. Do you want a soft drink or a glass of orange juice? Now look at the pictures and write pairs of names using and. As you can see, the first picture is of a needle and thread. You have to write down N-E-E-D-L-E, needle, and thread, T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. Second is bat and ball, B-A-T, bat, B-A-L-L, ball, because these are pairs and these are similar. So these are pairs. Bread and butter, B-R-E-A-D, bread, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Lock and key, L-O-C-K, lock, K-E-Y, key. This is page number 81. Look at the pictures and fill in correct words. Children, here options are given. You have to choose the correct answer. The boy has a toy car, dash, and aeroplane. You can see the picture. The boy is having a toy car also and an aeroplane also. So the boy has a toy car and an aeroplane because this is not opposite. So we will not use but, we will use and. Neha played the game well, dash, won the trophy. Neha played the game well and won the trophy because this is also not opposite. She played the game well, so she won the trophy. So and. Is it a fox or a wolf? Options are but or. This is not opposite. Is it a fox or a wolf? His table is tidy, dash his cupboard is untidy. Options are or but. You are not being given choice. This is opposite. His table is tidy, but his cupboard is untidy. So we will use but here. Children, I hope you have understood the exercise well. Your homework is learn the exercise, read the chapter again. We'll be meeting very soon with the next video, and in that video we will be doing the next exercise of this chapter. Till that time, take care. Learn your lessons well. Thank you.